Okay, let's learn how to use coffee machine. Maybe you want, this is coffee milk, cafe, melange, espresso, cacao, which is chocolate, hot water, and cappuccino. Now, today, I just feel like, I love cacao, but let me just drink. No, let me take cappuccino. Unafinya tu hapo penye cappuccino iko. Then the cappuccino will just come automatic. Yes. Now I have my cappuccino here. I have my drink here. Now I can drink it with no stress. Now I've shown you how. And maybe you want just coffee also. You take your cup. In Europe, the cups are always there and they're free. In the hotel, not in the hotel, in the canteens, in the offices, in the shops, the bosses buy for us these cups. They are there for free. Maybe I want coffee. I'll just push that button of coffee. Yes, I have my coffee. Okay, I want to show you something else. How to open the machine. Maybe you want to clean the machine. I need to teach you. This is how coffee machine looks like when you open it. This one is for chocolate. This one is milk for topping. And this one is for coffee. I think you can see them very well. And these are the pipes for bringing down the coffee. So if you want to clean this machine, you have to remove everything here. You remove everything plus even this one. Already it is clean. And if you want to add, maybe there is no chocolate is finished, you want to add, you just open this one like this. It's already full. Chocolate is full. Milk, everything is full here. Then just close. Since everything is full, just close the machine like this. Coffee machine is always has a key. Just simple. You close it and then you take your coffee. You start drinking your coffee. Just simple. Simple work.